welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this really cute flower, and I'll be turning this into earrings. And you could make them simply by crocheting the flower and attaching earring hooks or earring pin, or you can also place beads in the empty spots around it if you prefer and make a different type of design. And for that, you just sew them in. All right, let's begin. For this, you're going to need a crochet hook, and this one is 2.75 millimeter crochet needle to hide the tail ends. I'm using cotton yarn, and actually I'm going to make these same ones in blue, so I'll be using the same yarn but in blue. And of course you're going to need scissors. All right, let's begin the pattern. We're going to start by making a ring by wrapping the yarn around your small finger, and I'm going to do that a total of 8 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and just keep it pretty loose in order for you to be able to get it off the finger. Also, sometimes people make the first stitch by grabbing the yarn while the ring is still on the finger, and just making one chain. So we have the ring and we have one stitch made. From here we're going to do single crochets all around the ring, inside this ring. And the way you're going to make single crochet is you will insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through until you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both. So that's one single crochet. Let's do 15 of those inside the ring. 2, 3, 14, 15, and once we have 15 single crochets, we're going to connect to the very first stitch with a slip stitch. And this one right here is my tail end. We don't have to worry about it right now. We'll hide it in the back at the end. To continue, let's make 3 chains, 3, and then we're going to skip this next stitch right here and do a slip stitch in the following. Okay, so what we've done is 3 chains, we skipped 1 stitch, and we slip stitch into the next one. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Again, we're going to skip 1 stitch and go into the next one, and again make a slip stitch, and again 1, 2, 3, skip 1, slip stitch into the next one. Same thing, 3 chains, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch into the following one. Alright, so I have finished making the last 3 chains, and I've connected it to the last available stitch. From here I will begin the next round, round 3, by inserting my hook in between my round 1 and the 3 chains that I have formed, grab the yarn, pull through, and make a single crochet. And then I'm going to do that total of 5 times into this same space. That was 1. Here's my second single crochet. 3, 4, 5. Then same thing, continue and insert the hook into the next space and 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same thing, insert the hook into the next space between the 3 chains, grab the yarn, pull through, single crochet, and let's do 4 more. Oops, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and keep going all the way around. 5 more single crochets into the next chain 3 space. And 5. And last but not least, let's connect to the very first one with a slip stitch. Pull out the yarn, cut it, and here it is. It took me probably 3 minutes. The only thing left to do is hide this tail end in the back, which is very easy to do. Thread the yarn into your crochet needle, and then since I was crocheting counterclockwise, I'm going to hide the tail end in that direction too. So just flip it over. So this is my front, you can clearly see the stitches. This is my back, and simply weave the tail end into the back of the flower. Here's my flower. What I like to do is actually spray it with a fabric stiffener. I like to use this one. It's pretty good, just to make it a little bit harder. So if you look at it from the side, this one kind of bends very easily. It's very soft. This one has been sprayed with a fabric stiffener, so it's a little bit harder to bend and it's more flat. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this super simple tutorial for this flower that you can turn into earrings, or you can also make it red and white and wear it as a Martenitsa for Baba Marta. Have fun, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.